What's up, guys? This is just a really quick video because I wanted to touch base with you and let you know I have a whole lot of footage recorded to put an episode together. I'm going to be starting on that a little later this evening, get it edited and get it put up for you guys. But basically, I wanted to let you know what I've been doing, dude, and where we're going. Like scream at the top of my lungs that we are going to import Face Off right now, but it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't want to wake up the new neighbors. But if you guys are local and you guys are here in Arizona and you guys are going to IFO, guess what? You're gonna see me there. So I look forward to seeing you guys if you're gonna be there. If not, I'm sorry you guys missed it. I mean, I understand. I wouldn't expect you guys to travel all the way to Arizona just to go to IFO. Anyhow, guys, if I don't see you today, just know an episode on everything that we have done to this damn thing in the last 24 hours is gonna be up here really soon. Shortly after that, there'll be a video of the khaki Civic at IFO. So there's something to look forward to. Either seeing me here in a little bit or new videos to come. So I'm literally gonna get off right now and I'm gonna edit this really fast, post it up for you guys before Shiloh gets here, hopefully. And yeah, dude, I'll see you guys later.